Okay, hello Phoebe.
Hello, teacher.
Today we are going to talk about the weather, okay?
Yes.
Yes, first let's go through the words. Can you tell me what weather is it?
Warm.
Warm.
Drizzly.
Drizzly. Drizzly.
Wet.
Wet.
Sunny.
Okay.
Hot. Dry. Windless.
Windless.
Cloudy. Rainy. Windy. Cool.
Cold.
Freezing.
Foggy.
Snowy.
Okay. Tell me, what's the weather like today in Phan Thiết City?
It's sunny, cloudy, and dry.
Dry. Okay. And how many seasons do we have in Phan Thiết City?
2 seasons.
What are they?
Rainy season and sunny season.
Okay. What's the weather like in Phan Thiết in rainy season?
Rainy season. It's wet, rainy, and windy.
What's the weather like in sunny season?
It's sunny, cloudy,
And
dry.
and dry. Okay. Can you tell me how many seasons do we have in the North Vietnam, like Hanoi, Sapa, Ha Long Bay?
4 seasons.
4 seasons in the North. What are they?
They are spring, summer, fall, and winter.
Okay. What's the weather like in Sapa in winter?
It's wet, cold, foggy,
And
it's snowy.
yeah, sometimes it's snowy.
Sometimes snowy.
Yes. What's the temperature in Sapa in winter?
It's from 1 to 10 degrees Celsius.
Okay. What's the weather like in Dalat?
It's sunny, cool, and foggy.
And foggy, especially in the morning. Yes. Okay. And what's the temperature in Dalat?
It's from 10 to 15 degrees Celsius.
From 10 to 15?
15 to 20
Yes.
degrees Celsius.
From 10 to 15, it's about the rainy season, right? But in sunny season, it's warmer. The temperature can go up to 26. So it's from 15 to 20 degrees Celsius. Okay, what's the weather like in Saigon? What's the weather like in Saigon?
It's hot, dry,
And
cloudy.
and smoky, right? Smoky. The air is so dirty, right? Okay. What's the temperature in Saigon?
It's from 30 to 35 degrees Celsius.
Very good. Okay. Can you tell me, Phoebe, what weather do you like?
I like a sunny season.
What weather do you like? I like
cool weather.
Cool weather. Why do you like cool weather?
Because I can go camping
Mm-hmm.
and sleep
Well.
well.
Sleep well.
Sleep
Okay.
well.
And what weather don't you like?
I don't like rainy weather
Why not?
because it's rainy because wet.
It's wet.
It's wet and sun.
You don't like rainy weather because
No,
it's
no.
wet. How do you feel?
Tired. How do
I
you
feel tired
I feel tired.
and maybe sleepy, right? Yes, when it is rainy, most people feel sleepy and lazy. Okay, now you ask me.
What the weather like in your country?
Now, in my country, it's cold, cloudy, and sometimes drizzly.
How many seasons in your country?
Are there in my country? We have 4 basic seasons: spring, summer, fall, and winter.
What the weather like in winter?
Winters in Belarus are cold, snowy, and dark.
What the weather in like in summer?
The weather in summer is sunny, warm or hot, sometimes stormy in August.
What the temperature in winter?
As I said, winters are cold. The average temperature is from 10 to 20 degrees Celsius below zero.
What the weather temperature in summer?
What's the temperature
Temperature
in summer?
in summer.
The average temperature in summer is from 18 to 26 degrees Celsius.
What do you like?
What weather do you like?
What weather do you like?
I like sunny and warm weather.
Because
Why?
why?
Because I can spend time outdoors and go to the beach.
What the weather do you don't like?
What weather don't you like?
What weather don't you like?
I don't like rainy and stormy weather
Why not?
because when it is rainy, it's wet and muddy outside and I can't go out. I feel sad and gloomy. Okay, thank you so much. So today, Phoebe and we talked about weather. Good job.